card and let me share. So any questions, guys? Any questions, any doubts, please?
In the organization level also they will follow this type of rule while creating one server as an admin.
Sorry, I did not get you.
In the organization level also they will follow this type of rule while
Correct.
creating.
Same process, same as it is process they will follow. The organization, they will follow the same process.
That jump server is also under that domain, no, sir?
Yes, correct. They should be under that particular domain. Any resources, if you are going to use to access one domain related service, it should be in the domain also.
Okay.
Sir, sorry, sir. Sorry for this question. If you give SQL authentication, we are as a SQL DBA, we are creating Windows. We are creating login for them, but that should be in Active Directory, no?
For SQL authentication, we don't create any users. First thing, we can directly create logins, okay, in the SQL server. The user will provide username. Of course, that user is part of the. It's outside the umbrella. Let's imagine one developer joined in the company. Okay, so when he joined in the organization, of course, he should be a member of Active Directory, right? Every user, those who are using office resources, this user, those who got the job, he will get the laptop, right? He has to log into the laptop, right? Office laptop, right? How he can log into the office laptop using the domain user account only? So he will already log into the office laptop, but he will raise a request. I want SQL access. I want to access one of the SQL server using SQL authentication. So in that way, again, in that case, again, we don't need to create any user in the Windows level or in the Active Directory level. Why? Because he's already part of the domain. First thing. Second thing is, without creating the user for Windows authentication, we should have Windows user in the Windows level. But for SQL Server authentication, we don't need any user. Whatever name he is going to give us, with that name, we are going to create a login for him in the SQL authentication. But of course, outside the umbrella, you have to think, and he should be a member of Active Directory.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, guys, any questions? Done. So this is my node 1, right? If you see here, you can see the username. Who is the user? You can see Subhani. Okay, Subhani is the user. So let's sign out, guys. Let's sign out from this Subhani account. Okay, once my work is done, I'm going to sign it out. Okay, you can see like this. Other user, you can just go to other user and you can select your Pravina or Roja or Sanjeev. You can use. Why? Because these 4 accounts we have created, I cannot log in with other username. Okay, so node 1 slash, see, try to log in like this. Node 1 slash Subhani. Now tell me, guys, is it going to work? You are logged into node 1. Okay, sign into node 1. When it will work, guys, tell me. In what case it will work? In what case it will work, guys?
When he has a domain name,
he has specific his own laptop.
Node.
Correct. Okay. Is it going to work now? Yes or no?
No, sir.
No.
I need answers from everyone.
Yes.
Everyone. I need answers from everyone. Is it going to work? If I hit enter, I'll get the result. So tell me, once if I hit enter, what will be the result? Subhani is able to log into this machine or he can't log into the machine? Tell me, guys. I need answers from everyone.
Sir, in this machine
No,
or
sir,
domain?
he is not a
No, sir.
He is not a member of
you can't connect.
Arun said yes. Okay, let's see. Please respond in the chat, guys. Please respond in the chat whether this Subhani, node 1 slash Subhani is able to log into my node 1 machine or not. Okay, chalo. So the answer is no, guys. Okay, if I hit enter, I'll get the error. Okay, if I hit enter, I'll get the error, guys. See here, the username and password. I am not wantedly giving wrong username, wrong password, guys. I am giving correct password only. But the thing is, user is not present in the machine. Node 1 slash Subhani means if you want to log in like this, you have to create Subani in the node 1 machine, but we have created Subani in the Google domain. So that's why as user is from Google, you have to give Google here. Okay, so then only you can log in, guys. Okay, guys, listen carefully. Google / Subani, Google / Pravina, Google / Roja, Google / Sanjeev. If your domain is Infosys, Infosys / Sanjeev, Infosys / Roja, / only. There is no / only backward slash. Okay, so Google / Subani, and if I give access password, and he's able to log in now. Now he's logging with a domain user account. This is how it will work, guys. Okay, clear? Chalo, is it clear? Then we'll go for SQL Server installation.
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. Before going for the SQL Server installation, what I am going to do, I have to do one step, guys. Okay, let me sign out from this account. I have to add my DBA team into the local admin group. Otherwise, they cannot perform admin activities. I have to add my service account into the local admin group. Otherwise, they cannot perform the admin activities. For that, I have to log in as only administrator account. Only an admin can make other person as administrator, right? So let me log in as a local admin. Let me add SQL DBA group in the local administrators group. Let me add service account in the local administrator group, so that they both will get local admin privileges. How can I do that? Anyone remember? lusrmgr.msc. Go to groups. You will get administrator group. Double click on administrators. Now I have to add. Okay.
Group name.
Listen carefully, guys. It should be google.com. It should be google.com only. Why? Because you just created users in the Google and groups in the Google, service account in the Google. So you have to get groups. Okay. You have to get the results from Google domain only. Sometimes here it will be computer name will be there, node 1. If you give Subani now, or if you give SQL DBA, it will throw error. Why? Because we haven't created a SQL DBA group in the node 1. We have created in the google.com. So locations, you have to choose. Sometimes it will ask username and password, guys. Administrator is the username and password you have to give. You can see entire directory. Make sure you choose entire directory. Okay, then only you will get this. Now let me add SQL DBAs into this group. Okay, check names. You will get results. Sometimes if you are not getting results, select the object types. By default, groups will be unchecked, guys. If groups is unchecked, let me show you that one now. Click OK. Now let me type SQL DBS again. You will get the error. I am wantedly generating the error. Okay. See here, name not found. What is the solution for this? Object types. Select groups so that it will search in the groups also. Click OK. Check names. Done. Add your service account also. SQL_SVC. If you don't remember the whole name, just type SQL_SVC. Click on check names. You will get this. Okay. Or if you type only SQL, you will get 2 accounts. Whatever SQL is there, you will get all the SQL accounts. Click OK, guys. Apply. Okay. Now this step again, I have to do it in my node 2 also. Why? Because I have to make them local admins in both nodes, node 1 and node 2. 1, 2, 3. Tell me, guys, what I have to do. Okay, what I have to do, guys, in my node 2?
lusrmgr.
Done. Okay, lusrmgr.msc. Next.
Add group.
Groups. Administrators. Add equal. Okay, I'll just type SQL. You will get 2 names. Okay, administrator and password. Okay, you will get 2 names. See here, SQL SVC account, SQL DBS. Double click on each name or try to select both the names. Okay, using control button. Now you got both the names. Click OK. Apply. Okay, that's it, guys. Now everything is ready. Everything is ready, guys. Now. Okay, now we can proceed for the SQL Server installation. Okay, let's proceed for SQL Server installation, guys. We don't install anything in the node 1 Active Directory. We don't install anything in the Active Directory, guys. Okay, the Active Directory will be used only for creating users and groups. That's it.
And groups.
Okay, we don't use Active Directory for any other purpose. We don't install SQL Server and all. Okay, clear, guys? Any issues, any doubts, please let me know.
Why are we giving administrative permissions for SQL DBA?
SQL DBS, they should be admins, sir. Okay, they should be admins. Why? Because they are going to do a lot of read and write operation. They want to take the backups and a lot of things. They want to copy the files in the server. Who can copy the files? Who can create the folders? Okay, so SQL DBA should be local admins. Okay.
For server level, admin is local admin, and for SQL server level, sysadmin.
Sysadmin, correct. Local admins and sysadmins. Service account is going to write the data. When you are taking the backups, it has to write the data to the files. It has to read the data from the file. So it should be local admin. Then only it can access all files and folders, all the drives. Otherwise, it can't access. Okay, please mute it. Please mute it. Is it clear? Fine. Now let's try to proceed for the SQL Server installation. Go to your node 1. Okay, now what you can do is let's attach the software. Okay, you can see this is OS software, guys. Let's first, I cannot copy, right? So I can attach only from my Oracle VirtualBox Manager settings, storage. Windows is there. I'm going to replace Windows with SQL Server, SQL 2017. Now in the D drive, SQL will be attached, guys. Okay, now you can see here it was changed. It will be changed. Yeah, you can see now SQL setup. Now same process. Don't think it's a different process, but of course, like a real-time setup. This is real-time setup. This is how we are going to install in SQL Server. Remaining everything is same, guys. There will be no change. Just 1 minute, I'll be back. Okay. Go to installation. You know, right? New SQL Server installation. Same as it is, only the service accounts and all will be changed. Service account only will be changed. Okay, remaining everything is as it is.
Sir, SSMS is the client. We will install to the in that installation center, no?
Yes.
Okay.
Once this SQL Server installation is done, we'll install SSMS. We should have that SSMS. Okay. Guys, can anyone take control of my screen? You can proceed for installation. I am giving you access.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just request who wants to access. Just request the access. I'm going to give you the access, guys. We have to do the installation.
Sir Sanjeev.
Sanjeev, you can request the access. Okay. Or else let me check from participants list whether I can give the access. Ask start video, pin make host. Done. Okay, you can proceed. Let me know whether you are able to access or not. Okay. You're able to access, right?
No, sir, I'm not access.
You're not able to access. Okay. Let me give you. Give me 2 minutes, guys. Just 2 minutes. Small activity is there. Just give me 2 minutes. Let me give you access again. Sometimes you can access only local laptop, not this. Why I'm unable to give you access. I'm unable to give the access, guys. Okay, then now let's try.
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Just give me 2 minutes, guys.
Okay.
Just go to next again.
Database engine.
Chalo, okay. So let's, right,
Database
features and all, SQL
Database
Server replication,
replication.
database engine, full text, and
Yes,
of
sir.
course these are the fresh server.
Shared feature.
Guys, is it going to work first of all?
Client.
First of all, is it going to work? Sanjeev, is it going to work first of all? What is the step I'm missing? Hello?
Yes, sir.
No, sir is in on call.
What step?
Tell me, guys, what is the important step we are missing? Sorry? What is the important step we are missing?
License power.
Addition, sir.
Next. This is a fresh server.
.NET framework.
.NET framework. Oh my God.
Correct. Okay.
.NET framework is not installed.
Yes,
Okay. So go to your add roles
Add
and
and role
features.
features.
Let's quickly install .NET framework, guys.
Next.
Otherwise, I
Next.
can't install SQL Server.
Next.
Okay. So let's try to select this.
.NET framework. Yes.
Next. Install. If it is not going to install, we'll go for okay. That
error.
We have this setup, right? What is that? Let's try to install for Node 2 as well in the meantime. specify an alternate source path. Okay, let me go to this. Let me check. Still we have Windows operating system. Windows is there, so no problem. No need to attach Windows again. So let me specify alternate source path. Okay, D drive : SOUR sources / yes x yes. I hope you know what I'm doing. Okay, I'm just giving path to install. Supported files are there in that. Okay, location. So I'm just trying to give the path. It was failed. Okay, why? Because I missed that one. Giving the path again. Go to add roles and features. Next. This time what I have to do, guys? Go to this Oracle VirtualBox Manager. SQL Server is already attached. Okay, storage. Let me remove this. Let me add Windows operating system. Windows 2012. Click OK. Done. And let me go to this. Next. And make sure whether you got Windows operating system or not. Yes, we got the Windows operating system, the D drive. Next. .NET Framework. Next. Specify an alternate source path. D : /SOURCES /yes x yes. Okay, from here I am getting this folder, guys. Here E sources yes x yes is there, right? My software, Windows software, is there in the D drive, so that's why I'm changing E to D. Remaining everything is same. Okay, click OK and install. Go and check your node 2. It is taking time. Okay, no problem. Let's go with your node 1.
Sir,
Yes, please.
is it possible to postpone our Sunday's class to Monday, sir?
I'm not sure, sir. Okay. Guys, please raise your hands, those who are interested to join class tomorrow. We'll go by majority only again. Okay, always majority will win. So if you are okay with tomorrow's class, I'll take the class. If you are not okay, I'll postpone the class. Again, classes will start from Monday. Please raise your hands, guys. Raising hand means you are okay with Sunday's class. Okay, if you are not raising means you are not okay with Sunday's class. That is the meaning. Okay, now raise your hands, those who are interested for tomorrow's class, Sunday's class. If you are not raising means I'll treat you are not interested. Okay, as of now 2 participants raised hand and I got only a request. Okay, good morning, Pandu. 3 persons raised their hand. Okay, let's see. Means very low participation. If you are not interested, that's okay. Okay, guys, tomorrow there is no class. We'll start again from okay, Monday. 4 participants. Out of 29, 4 participants raised hand. 5 participants raised hand. Let's see, is this going to be changed? Kiranmai, Narendra, Raghu, Divya, and who else, guys? Kiranmai, Raghu, Divya, and Lata. Okay, interested. I said I'm okay. And come, sir. You just extend one more class. We take rest, sir. Okay, guys. So tomorrow there is no class. Hardly 5 people raised their hand, and 3 people shows interest in the chart. So 8 people out of 30. So 22 people are not interested for tomorrow's class. Chalo, we'll go by Monday. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
No problem. And again, I'm not giving holiday. At least try to configure Active Directory and all. Please ready with your setup From Monday onwards, log
Sure,
shipping
sir.
2 days, mirroring 2 days, replication 2 days, clustering 2 days, SQL clustering 2 days, always on 2 days. From Monday onwards, it will be okay. But one Sunday I'll take the class. If that is not tomorrow, it will be definitely next Sunday. Next Sunday, I don't take any voting anonymously. I am going to take class on next Sunday. Okay. Done. Okay, so .NET framework was installed on my node 1, guys. Let's go to the node 2, and the setup is completed on node 2 as well. So you can go for SQL Server installation. Okay, and this is my node 1, right? Let me change. Please mute it if you don't have questions. Let me change from OS 2012 to SQL Server 2017. Okay, otherwise it will be failed. Okay, 2017. Click OK. Right, done. Go to your node 1 and make sure whether you got 2017 in the D drive or not. SQL setup is there or not. Refresh it, refresh it, refresh it. Yeah. It is showing 1.43 GB, but it's not SQL Server. This is your Windows operating system. Okay. This is SQL Server only. Okay, done. Okay. Right. So let me continue with this setup, guys. And let me install .NET framework, not .NET framework, client tools connectivity,
Client
right?
tools connectivity.
Client tools
Down.
backward compatibility, client tools
Client
SDK,
root
SQL client.
SDK and SQL client SDK.
Next.
Sir, you are installed in default installs and name instance.
First I'll go with the named instance this time. Okay.
Okay.
Done. Okay, so let me go with the named instance. So this is B42 node 1. Or else the computer name is or B42 SQL 2017. Okay, by node 1 SQL 2017. Right, and go to next. Okay, so in this screen it
Here
will be
we need
changed,
to
guys. Okay,
yes,
so
service
here we are
account.
getting virtual service account, SQL agent B42 and all. I don't want to use this virtual service account. I have created my own service account, and that service account is a local admin also. So I will use my own service account. Go to browse, make sure entire directory is selected, or if it is showing node 1 computer name, change it to entire directory first and type your service account name SQL underscore SVC. Okay, underscore, not hyphen, underscore SVC. Now check names, you will get the account. Sometimes it will ask the active directory username and password. If it is asking, give it, no issues. Okay, in the organization it won't ask, sir. In the organization also, if it asks how I can get the domain password, in the organization it won't ask, guys. If you select entire directory, automatically it will be read. Okay, now you can see the account came SQL SVC ACT at google.com. Click OK, guys. Okay, copy paste this account, Control C, already it was selected. Paste it for database engine also. Now give the password. While creating this account, if you remember, while creating this account in the AD, Active Directory, we gave one password, right? That password you have to give here. That password you have to give here. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And again, the same password. Don't give new password and all. While creating this account, what password you gave, that password only you have to give in the password section. And startup type should be automatic. Remaining everything is same, guys. Collation setting. Remaining everything is same. Collation and all. I don't want to change anything. Okay. Everything is same. Go to next. Again, in the authentication screen, here we are going to add your SQL DBA team, your service account, and your current user. Add, okay. Let me add your SQL DBAs, check names. And again, make sure you have selected entire directory here. And service account also is very important, guys. You have to add service account so that whoever you are adding here, SQL DBAs and SQL SVC account, in the SQL servers, logins will be created for these two accounts with sysadmin privileges, guys. So all 4 persons, Sanjeev can log into the SQL server now. Pravina can log into the SQL server. Roja can log into the SQL server. Subhani can log into the SQL server also. As of now, they only logged into the Windows server. Now, once this step is completed, once installation is successful, they are able to log into the SQL server with the sysadmin privileges, guys. Okay, now you can see here in the organization also will add like this only. SQL DBS team will add service account like this. We are going to add it, guys. Okay, let's add this one as well. What is that? Domain account also. Usually in the organization we don't add domain account, but this time let's add. What is the domain account, guys? Google/administrator. Done. Click OK. Okay. Done, guys. Remaining data directories, TempDB we have already discussed. I don't want to change. Only two things will be changed. One is authentication. Second one is your service accounts. Remaining everything is same. Next. That's it, guys. This is the final screen and go for install. That's it. This is how we are going to install SQL Server in the real time. Small changes there. One more change is there that you are going to get it. Once we are installing a cluster setup. In the cluster setup, we'll create multiple drives. 2-3 drives will be there. So in the data directories, we'll change data files to data drive, log files to log drive. That's it, guys. That is the one more small change. Remaining everything like how I did the installation now with the service accounts, with your particular accounts, login accounts, add current user screen, everything same as it is. Only thing is data directories. We gave C drive. All the files will be stored in the C drive now. We don't have any other extra drives. Okay. In the organization, we'll have multiple drives. We are going to change the multiple drives, guys. We are going to change. We'll allocate a data drive, separate drive for data files. We'll allocate separate drive for log files. So in that way, we are going to proceed. Okay, guys. So I'm going to do the same thing on Node 2 as well. So once SQL Server installation is done, today I'll install SSMS. So tomorrow I don't show you that step. Why? Because you know how to install SSMS. SSMS, for installing SSMS, you have to attach SSMS ISO image. In the softwares that I gave you SSMS ISO image software also. Download that SSMS ISO image software, guys. Okay. And then attach it using your server manager. Okay. Software links. This one. Okay. So if you go to this notepad, I just shared with you for all the people, I just sent this document. Okay. SSMS. This is normal SSMS download. This is ISO image SSMS download. Okay. So you can just open this link, download SSMS ISO image, and you can attach in the Oracle VirtualBox Manager. Once SQL Server installation is done. Okay. Attach in the SSMS Oracle VirtualBox Manager storage. Click on the CD. You will get SSMS ISO image like this. Select it. If you are not getting, just click on choose optical virtual drive. Okay. And then you can proceed for SSMS installation, guys. That's it. Okay. Please make sure you are ready with SSMS by tomorrow so that we are going to proceed. Okay. Log shipping and all, guys. From tomorrow, we are going to discuss log shipping and all. Why it was pending at install.NET 4.6 CPU 64 action.
Sir, do you need to add ISO image for SQL Server 2017 also?
Yes, of course, we have to add it, right? Our SQL Server is there in the 2017 ISO only. Then only you will get in the D drive, you will get that file, and then you are able to install SQL Server.
So the password you gave in service account, will the organization let us know?
Yes. As a DBA, you should know service account password. It's your responsibility.
Sir, in Node 1 and Node 2, are you installing same 2017 only?
Yes, it will. I can give the SQL. See, for Node 1, Node 2, the instance name is same. I'll give you a B42 SQL 2017. For Node 2 also B42 SQL 2017 only I'm going to give. But you can ask, sir, I'm going to confuse, right? Which instance is from Node 1, which instance is Node 2, right?
Yeah.
How you can identify?
No, sir.
Based on the Node 1 and Node 2, you can identify. No?
Yeah, that is Node 1/SQL 2017. This is Node 2/SQL 2017. Okay, so while connecting, you will give node 1 / SQL 2017, node 2 / SQL 2017.
Okay, sir.
Taking a lot of time. I'm not sure. By this time, it has to install. As I just without installing .NET Framework, I have initiated the setup file, right? So that's why it was struck. Let's see. If not, I'll again cancel and I'll. Yes, please.
So rather than installing in individual machines, you can go for that software deployments in ADDS.
No. That doesn't going to work. Okay, we don't deploy any softwares in the ADDS. Okay, that is not correct way.
Okay.
It was struck, guys. So it was struck at .NET only.
What about node 2, sir?
Node 2 also, once this is done, we can go for node 2. Same process, SQL Server installation. Okay, node 2 also we have to follow the same process. Let's wait for 1 minute. If not, let's close this and let's reopen and we'll install a SQL Server again. Okay. I'm guessing that .NET Framework we missed it, right? First we have to install .NET Framework. Then let's proceed for node 2. Okay. Why we have to waste the time? Let's proceed for node 2 settings. Check storage Windows to SQL 2017.
You have 2017 in your local machine. You just adding that into
Correct.
Oracle virtual.
Yes. Here it is still showing this OS only. Let me do one thing. Let me go to node 1. Let me go to settings of node 1. Let me go to storage. Let me check it. Let me select it. Let me click OK. Done. Let me check whether this was changed this time or not.
Less than 1 minute.
Yes. Please reconnect, guys.